Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study AP Microeconomics. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a comprehensive textbook, like Mankio or Krugman, and a dedicated AP review book. These will form the backbone of your learning. Next, establish a consistent study schedule. Aim for about 5 to 7 hours each week, divided into shorter, focused sessions to prevent burnout and maximize retention. This structured approach is key to success. Once you have your books, supplement your learning with excellent online resources. Khan Academy offers clear explanations and practice problems for many microeconomic concepts. Also, make sure to explore the official College Board website for course descriptions and past free response questions. Develop a detailed study calendar, assigning specific chapters or units to each week. This ensures you cover all necessary content systematically before the exam. As you progress, prioritize a deep understanding of core microeconomic concepts. Don't just memorize definitions, grasp the underlying logic of supply and demand, elasticity, market structures, and externalities. Actively work through practice problems from your textbook and review book. Crucially, dedicate time to practicing free response questions. This helps you articulate your economic reasoning clearly and efficiently, which is vital for the exam's second section. In the weeks leading up to the exam, shift your focus to intensive review and timed practice. Take several full-length practice exams, simulating actual test conditions. This helps build stamina and familiarizes you with the exam format. After each practice test, meticulously review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understand why you made mistakes and revisit those topics. This targeted review is incredibly effective for solidifying your knowledge and boosting your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.